Welcome back, and this is going to be the second episode in a row that's actually that's going to be just the Visual Studios. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening like files with our bot. So, and this is what I use it for, is sometimes I want to split up my code and have certain functions alone in different files. So that's what I'm going to teach you how to do. Also, PS, I figured out the greatest way of hiding the token, because I know editing folds exist, but I can't be bothered to figure out how to use one. So I just use an if statement that's always going to be true, and just have it hidden in there because you can collapse if statements. Either way, what you're going to want to do is you're first going to want to make like another another file for whatever is going to happen. You're going to want to go through making the Discord, basically just doing everything again, just copy and paste. And I was going to end up putting the a hello thing in here just to respond, but I'm not going to be opening up Discord. So the way you open another file, and this is so far the easiest way I could figure out, is it's kind of similar or it's the same way you can open up other things. So like how we have fs is equal to that. It basically opens up the fs file and runs it, so you can use commands from there. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to make tb hello, just in case I ever want to put hello statement in there, and is equal to require dot tutorial bot hello. I'm just gonna copy and paste the name, tutorial bot hello, and that will open it. As far as I have seen, you do not need to put a JS at the end. It should open it. So now when we run this, what should happen is, and these kind of happen at the same time, is you will see wherever it is that this ready's up. And this has a different ready statement for when for this part of the bot goes online. So you will have hello ready. So now if we actually run this, it breaks. Okay, it seems hiding the token kind of broke it, so we're going to run it again. It also broke the token on the other one. Well, there went my genius idea for hiding the token. Either way, if we run it, it'll say hello ready. And it should eventually run, the normal tutorial bot. So as you can see, it went through this, and it went through this, it went through this, it logged on, and now it's ready to be used. While this one also ends up running. So this is how you do it, and I shall see you all in the next episode. Bye-bye.